In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move buttons in Shopify. This is a simple way to customize your store layout and improve the customer experience. So let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Online Store. Next, click on Themes. On your active theme, click Customize to open the theme editor. Now navigate to the section where the button is located. This could be a home page banner, featured collection, product section, or another area of your store. Once you find the button, look for the drag handle icon beside the section or block. Click and hold the handle, then drag the button to your preferred position. You can move it higher or lower depending on how you want your layout to appear. Take a moment to preview the changes and make sure the button placement looks good on both desktop and mobile view. Once you're happy with the new position, click Save at the top right corner. And that's it. You've successfully moved buttons in your Shopify store. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.